This is Haoran Wang. I partnered with Qilin Zeng to finish the project 3 of cs5610. Um, this is our application up and live deployed on render. Um, I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough of our project 3 today. Because this is the game UI, which is pretty much the same as project 2. What's a new update is like now the login and register button can work perfectly. So I'm gonna show you how to register. So after I registered a player 5, you see the login and register button are replaced by the user's name that we just created and the logout button. And this means we already registered player 5 and player 5 is currently logged in. You'll see when player 5 is logged in and they can interact with the game perfectly, they can create games perfectly, but once they log out, there's no way for the logged in user to create any games or interact with the puzzle page. Yeah, so just quickly show you the rules and high score pages. We already have some test data here, so let's go back and log in with our player 5 and play a game. Now this game is cleared. After a game is cleared, the user cannot interact with it anymore. And let's check out the high score page. Player 4 just won a game. It's ranked the last because of the username. When users who have the same score, we rank them by their username. So let's log in with player 3 to see what games they have cleared. So player game has cleared this game, and this game. This game they haven't cleared. I think this is a game, as I've shown you, created by player 5. So let's work through it. Also, while the GPT is coming up with a solution, I can show you a bonus point that we've implemented, is the password encryption. So this is MongoDB Compass that's linked to the development, the production MongoDB instance or cluster. So you see in the users table the passwords. I don't just store password, I store password hash. And the hashing method is implemented by bcrypt, a third-party package that hashes the password that user implemented, store it in the database, and then when user try to log in, the code will compare the the code will hash the password that user implemented and compare the hashed value in the database. And if there's a match, the user can successfully log in. And yeah, so that's how it gets implemented. Let's go back to the game. So at this point, I'm gonna fill in the board. So you see player 3 has cleared the new game that player 5 has created, and its wins got added to 4 from 3. So let's log in with player 5 to play the game it created. Because I want to show you the delete game function. Before that, reset button also works. User 5 cleared this game, and in the high score page, player 5 has 2 wins. So we know that this game is created by player 5, so there's a delete button here, and we know both player 3 and player 5 have cleared this game. So when we delete this game, we are logging as player 5. Before that, let's double check if other players can see the delete button. No, for player 3, there's no delete button. So this is checked. Let's relog in with player 5 and run this delete button. So remember, only player 5 and player 3 have cleared this game. So clicking delete lets the game to be deleted, and let's check the high score page. You see player 3's wins was 4 before the deletion, and now it became 3, and player 5's win game decreased from 2 to 1. So deleting the game like this satisfy the requirements of the bonus point of deleting games that allows the game records to be deleted with the game and updates the high score page. I think I've showed you most of the most part of this application, and creating a normal game, I think it's gonna work the same because it's just a bigger board, so I'm not gonna show you this today. And yeah, thanks for watching.